Hello my dear student of class 6. Today I will take class 6 mathematics chapter 2 whole number. Now in previous classes we already discussed about exercise number 2.2. Now today I will start from number 3. Here said find the value of the following. Following means suppose number A and is given 297 into 17 plus 297 into 3. So we see that 297 is common in the both. So we common this number 297. Common means we first write 297 and then this sign, that means multiple sign. So 297 into, here first number is 17, so in the bracket we write 17 plus, so we write plus and then this number because this is outside the bracket, so plus 3. Now we get 297 into 17 plus 3. 17 plus 3 means 20. So you get 297 into 20, that means 5940. Now in the similar way we should run number C, and at your home you try number B. This is same as number A. Now here given 81,265 into 169 minus 81,265 into 69. So first we common this number, that means 81,265 this. So first we write 81,265, then we write this sign, that means multiple sign. So 81,265 into, first we write 169 in the bracket, 169 minus 69. So we get first, we should run the process in the bracket. So here in the bracket is 169 minus 69, that means 100. So 81,265 into this is 100. So we get 8,12,060 81,26,500. Now next we try number D. Here given 3,845 into 5 into 782, and next one is 769 into 25 into 2018. So here common number is 5. So because here 25 means 5 into 5. So in the second line we write in this way, 25 means 5 into 5. So we write 3,845 into 5 into 782 plus same this 769 into 25 means 5 into 5 into 2218. So next we try, here 5 is common, here is 3,845, and if we multiply 769 by 5 then we get 3,845. So we multiply this 769 into 5. Now next line we write this same as this plus 769 into 5, that is 3,845 into 5 into 218. So we get 3 3845 into 5. This is common because here is 3845 into 5 and here is also this. So we common this number into 5 and next write this. So in the bracket 782 plus 218. Now on the next line we get 3845 into 5 into this means 1000, and if you multiply this then you get 19225 into 1000. So you get 19225 000. So this is 19,22,000. One nine two two five. 1,92,25,000. So this is 3D. The product value is 1,92,25,000. Now next, number 4. Find the product using suitable properties. Is given 738 into 1003. Seven 738 into 103. So here in second number we write 103 as 100 plus 3. 103, this is right in this way, 100 plus 3. Now by distributive property we should multiply this by this. So 738 into first number 100, then we write this sign and it's plus, and again we multiply this by second number, that is 3. Now this is called distributive property. So we get 738 2214. We multiply this by 3, we get 2214. Now by adding this number we get 76,014. This is 4A. Now next number C. Here given 258 into 1008. Now we first write 258 into 1008. We write 1008 by 1000 plus 8. Now we get 258 into, this is 1000 plus again 258 into second number, that means 8. Now we get 258 1000 3 zeros plus 8 into 258. We get 2064. Now multiply 258 by 8, we get 2064. Now adding these two numbers, we get 064, 062. This is the product value of number 6. This is 4C. So you should try at your home 4B and D. 4B is given 854 into 102. So you should write 102 as 100 plus 2. 100 plus 2. And number D, here given 1005 into 168. So we should write 1005 by 1000 plus 5. And then next we should try from number 5. So this is exercise number 2.2. So next we will start from number 5. Thank you.